Hello friends, welcome to part 72 of Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. In this part, we are going to install and configure Algolia Search in Laravel. Okay, so this is the third-party search, third-party advanced search for the Laravel, and we are going to integrate this in our multi-vendor e-commerce website. So let's start. You can find the steps under video as well. So we are going to follow these steps to integrate this search. So first of all, we are going to install the package that are required. We require two packages here. Algolia / Algolia Search hyphen client hyphen PHP. Version is 4.24, and we require Laravel Scout package as well, 10.15 version. Okay, so we are going to add these packages in our composer JSON file. I'm going to open the composer JSON file and we'll add this package under Laravel Tinker. Here we are going to add these two packages. Okay, or you can also add it inside required dev as well, but we are going to require we are going to install here. Okay, so after adding these, I'm going to run the composer update command so that these packages will get installed for our project. So here is my project folder ecom12. I'm going to right click, open in terminal, and we'll run the composer update command for my project composer update so that these packages get installed. It will take few seconds or few minutes, so you need to wait for few seconds. In the meantime, we can take the further steps. We can make the we need to register here in the algolia.com website. Okay, I need to generate here two things: application ID and write API key. These two things are required. So we are going to open this website and register in that website, and that is free for some search results, and that is enough. They provide the free access to up till here you can see the pricing, and in pricing you can see the free account is available for up to 10k search request per month. Okay, if your website is small and not have much traffic, then you can go for this one free, and we are going to work for free in this part. Okay, otherwise if you have traffic and if you have too many users, then you can go for the grow premium or elevate package. Okay, so it depends, but I want that first of all you must start with the free package, because for the integration you just require for the free package, and once it will start working and there are too many search queries are coming, then you can update your package to grow and then to premium and so on. Okay, so let's log in with you can log in, you can create new account, or you can log in with your Gmail, GitHub. Okay, so I'm going to log in with the Google account. Okay, see, I'm going to log in with my stack developers account that I am having. Continue with the stack developers. You need to click on I agree. Do you write code? Yes. Here it's not required, we have our own data, so not now. I will import my own data. Click on this one. So here you can see you can skip for now. Okay, this one out, so you can skip and see it picks the logo as well. Here you can see here this logo of our stack developers YouTube channel. Okay, and you find here the application ID as well as the write API key. So both we require. Okay, so now we can take the further steps here. Let's check. So it's updating right now, and I think it will take just few more seconds to update these packages. Let's wait. So it has been done, you can see. Okay, so now we can take the further steps, and here we are going to add this one in our .env file. So I'm going to open here the env file here at last. We are going to add this one. Okay, so score driver will remain as Algolia, and Algolia app ID and Algolia secret we are required to update. Okay, so we are having these both application ID we're going to add here. So instead of secret, we can also add here the right API key, Algolia key. We can name it as Algolia key as well. Okay. Uh, so let's keep it. So here I'm going to add this one. So later on, we are going to replace this Algolia secret. Okay. So here, after doing this, now let's take the further step. Now we are going to update the product model. Here we need to include this class at the top. So we need to create this function as well. Here, first of all, use searchable is required here. So after this, we require this function as well to searchable array function. Here we need to align this. Okay, so here you can see that in this function, we are going to fetch the category name as well as the product name. Okay, that will be fetched in this model. So here for this one category relation is here, so it is going to fetch the category name. This column name is the name, so we are going to fetch this category name and we are going to put this in category, and product name we are going to put this one in the product underscore name. Okay, so for the other things as well, like if we want to search for the product code, then we can also get the product code. But here in the search, we are doing one thing like product code, product color, and product name itself. We are going to first check. We are going to first check with this one, our website search, and if no result will come in website search, then we are going to search from the Algolia search. Okay, so like earlier on, like first this one, if the results are coming here, then we are going to pick this result. Okay, so if the results are not coming, like if I am going to add here the t-shirt, see now it is not searching for the t-shirt as we have added the hyphen here. You can see that we have added the hyphen, so it is not searching for the t-shirt. Okay, so here after integrating the Algolia search, this one it will search this one as well. Okay, so first preference is given to the website search and second preference will given to the Algolia search. Okay, so so it will work like this. Okay, so after this, let's take the further step, and now we are going to modify our Ajax search, in which the first preference we have given to the website search and the second preference we have given to the Algolia search. Okay, so I'm going to modify this one in the product controller at front. This Ajax search we are going to modify that we have created in the last part. And one more thing we need to do here, that see Algolia logo is required. We need to add a small icon or logo of Algolia. So this one we are going to download. See here, I think it's all okay. So fine. So here, there we will give the size here itself. Height is 20, so that's fine. Okay. And this one we are going to put inside our project. Public front images here. So that's fine. And let's take the further step. And here we need to run this command so that we can able to import our products to Algolia. Okay. So we need to run this artisan command here. Let's see. So it imported the three products here, you can see. Okay, and we can search in our database, data sources. And here you can see the three products are here, three records. Okay, we can open these three records. Here you can see all the three records: black casual t-shirt, red t-shirt, blue t-shirt. So we can able to import our data to Algolia. Okay. So now I'm trying to search this one here. Okay, with the t-shirt. Let's refresh this one. Let's see if the Algolia search will work for our Laravel e-commerce website. T-shirt. Let's see. Okay, check once in, maybe some error has come. So we need to check out. I'm going to type once again. Yes, there is some issue. Let's find out. Okay, product model is not included in product control. So that's why we need to include the product model as well here. Product model. So let's see now. Let's refresh once again. Refresh. Okay, I'm going to search now. T-shirt. Ah, yes, the results have come up here. You can see the red t-shirt, blue t-shirt, black as a t-shirt, even though I have added here the t-shirt. Okay, so the result from the Algolia is coming, and here you can see the Algolia. Okay, here at the right side, you can at the bottom, you can see the link is also there. You can specify little bit bigger as well as per, okay. So it is mandatory to provide the small link of Algolia. Okay. So here I'm going to search for that link, algolia.png. Here it is. So we can simply 25 pixel. Okay. So here the results are coming. Earlier no result is coming. Okay. And this one you can simply disable this no result found, or simply just remove this one is not required. Okay, simply you can just show the result here. Okay, here like earlier this one is working. Okay, this one was working perfectly, and t-shirt is not working without hyphen. Now that will also work, like t-shirt without the hyphen. Now this time the t-shirt will also produce the result. Here you can see the results are also coming here. Okay, you can show the loader as well. Okay, so as it is taking a few seconds, so you can show the loader as well. Okay, later on we will show the loader. Okay, but the results are coming from Algolia. Here you can see that it able to search for the t-shirt. Okay, so like there you can see that the black. Okay, so it will also check for the wrong spelling, like I will miss here a. Let's see that it will search or not. Black, b l, I will not put a, b l c k. Let's see if it will search for black. Yes, it search for the black. You can see even we miss one word a, then then again it searches. Okay, black. Okay, even now I'm going to search for the casual. I will make casul. Okay, casul. I miss one a. Now see again the casual, black casual t-shirt is coming. Okay, so it able to search for all the results even with the wrong spelling. Okay, so we can able to search here. You can see it used to take few seconds as we are searching online from Algolia. Okay, and for that we can add the loader, but it is searching very fine. You can see. Okay, so you can integrate this search at your end as well. And if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So once again, I request you to join my channel. That the channel name is Stack Developers. You can able to search for this channel, and you can open the channel and can join as a member by paying small fees to get the complete source code. Okay, and you can always subscribe the channel for more updates. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.